Hi you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys a haul from a store that I have not hauled before from, so I'm just going to hop into it. So I went to the 99-cent store. So I have been wanting to try the 99-cent store out. That's Tanner, he's talking to Blippi. I wanted to try the 99-cent store out for you guys because I've been back into the Dollar Tree and I wanted to share with you guys some of the items that I picked up. So go ahead and hop into it. So the first thing that I spotted is a 32 set of back to school lunch and snack containers. So this was not 99 cents, this was $4.99, but it comes with four 5-ounce containers, four 24-ounce rectangle, four 24-ounce round containers, and four 25-ounce square containers. So I thought that this was a pretty good deal for everything that is included in here. So $5 for basically 16 containers. So I thought that that was a really good deal. So the next thing I spotted is this create your own marketplace. So it is like a cardboard play center. And the kids can go ahead and build this. It also comes with like colors, and it also comes with play food. It comes with play money, markers, and stickers and stuff. So I thought that this was really fun. I'm actually going to set this aside for them for Christmas time. And on the package it says no glue is required, so that is cool. But this was $9.99, so this was not 99 cents. All right, so the next things I picked up were these canisters. So these are, I don't know what the ounce is, but this was $1.99. And first off, I love the detail that the glass has, and the lids on here are really sturdy. So I've been looking for some more canisters that I like. And my Target was selling canisters for like $10 per canister. So I went ahead and picked up 4 of them because I definitely want to start incorporating that in my pantry, because I've been working on my pantry storage. So I thought that that was a great deal. I picked up 4 of those. So the next things I picked up were these Halloween bath mats. So these were $2.99 each, and I picked up a cat, a black cat, and then I picked up a second black cat. I just thought this was super cute, and it's not like cheap material either. Like this feels just like the bath mats from Target. And then I also picked up this single pumpkin as well. So I thought that this was super cute. So $2.99 each for those. If I was to get them at like Hobby Lobby or Target, they would definitely be more expensive. Okay, so something that I actually paid 99 cents for. Finally, we're getting to it. It says, give me something sweet. So give me something good to eat. So these are little like treat bags, reusable bags. So I'm going to go ahead and have these for the kids' Halloween treat bags. All right, so then the next thing I found, which I thought was a really good deal, and it was super cute. So it is a travel case, and it's meant for like your iPad and iPhone like accessories when you're traveling. I thought that this was super cute. So it's like a carrying case where you can go ahead and have your phone and all of the phone cords. There's like zipper pouches for your auxiliary cords, but you could also like use this for cosmetics as well. So I thought that this was a nice little carrying case for traveling. So I picked this up. This was 99 cents. All right, so the next thing I found was a deluxe planner. So this was priced for $2.99, and inside the planner there are some planning pages, and I love that it has like the 3-ring binder prongs. So I have the so it has the planning. So it has the planning pages, and then there are some dividers right here, some stickers. So I thought this was really cool, and I'm actually going to use this for my church messages because we have like 3-ring, as they have the 3 rings. So I have a place to now I have a place that I can put all of my messages from church. So the next 2 things I picked up were Halloween table decor. So I got a Halloween one, and then I got a fall one as well. So I picked up, it's a flannel back table cover, and the material on here, I think it's going to be easy to wipe down. So I remember getting one at Target that was similar. Yeah, so it is the thicker material. So it's not like the ones that you expose So it's not like the ones that you throw away after like a birthday party. It's not like the plastic material, so it's gonna be easy to clean up. So I picked that up, 99 cents, so I thought that was really good. But this one is more of the disposable one. So this one will probably be for Scarlett's Halloween party. So I picked this up, but I thought it was super cute. It had like little, it reminded me of like the Bubble Guppies, but it has a little witch, it has Frankenstein, and it has like a witch's hat and a spider. So I thought that was super, super cute. All right, so then I also got Scarlett some fun napkins for her lunch. So I picked these up in the party section, and it has some rainbows, some hearts. So I thought this would just, you know, help spruce her lunch up a little bit more. So I picked those up. And then I wanted to do something special for her because she's been really having like a hard time with school, like adjusting to school. So I thought I would surprise her one of the days that she's getting back from school with an ice cream party. So I'm gonna go all out and have like an ice cream party ready for her for when she comes home. I wanted to do something special for her because when she comes home, I'm just noticing that she's just not her happy, spunky self. So I wanted to do something special for her when she's not expecting it, to kind of boost her mood and just to make her feel a little more happy when she's coming back home from school. So I went ahead and picked up this unicorn rainbow tablecloth. So I'm gonna go ahead and plan that out, and then I'm gonna definitely share with you guys the little DIY ice cream party I'm gonna throw for Scarlett. All right, so the next thing I picked up are watercolor paint sets. So I picked two of them up, so one for Scarlett, one for Sawyer. I'm definitely gonna be throwing that into their stocking stuffer bin, so I thought that was a good deal. And then the next thing I picked up is this little trick or treat sign, and this is really good quality in my opinion for 99 cents. So I picked this up for Halloween as well. Something I've noticed is that the 99-cent store has some really nice decor pieces for like holiday decor, so I was really happy about that. So the next thing I picked up, I'm actually gonna go ahead and give to my parents, I think. It's the Quaker's Peaches and Cream Oatmeal. So why I wanted to pick this up is because it was a Quaker item, so I wanted to pick it up and then submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards to see if I would get the bonus points with Quaker, but I did not get bonus points with Quaker, so I was curious to see if I would. But even so, a box of oatmeal for 99 cents for like a name brand oatmeal, I thought was a really good deal. So this is everything that I picked up from my 99-cent store. I think in total I spent like 50, my total was 50.46, but I got a lot of things that weren't 99 cents. And that's something you have to be careful of when you are in the 99-cent store, because there are a lot of things that actually are not 99 cents. And this actually fooled me. I thought that this was 99 cents, but when I got to the register, it had that little orange sticker and it said $2.99. So you need to be really careful when you're at the 99-cent store, because there's a lot of stuff that is not 99 cents. And also they have some stuff in their like bath section, like their hygiene for like, and they had a lot of shampoos that were definitely not priced well. So I'm gonna insert those photos here. I couldn't believe some of the shampoos I saw. They were priced for $3.99, and I'm just thinking to myself, wow, that's a terrible deal, especially since the 99-cent store does not accept coupons. So in terms of 99-cent store versus Dollar Tree, I think at the moment, I think I'm still a fan of the Dollar Tree, because everything is $1. You don't have to guess on how much things are gonna be. But definitely some of the quality of items are a little bit better in my opinion, in terms of like the tabletop ware and just the variety of items they had for like the party section. So I really liked that. So yeah, I think that I would still say I'm a Dollar Tree gal, but I think popping into the 99-cent store every once in a while would be definitely a good deal. I love these bath mats so much. So yeah, they have some fun stuff. So if you have a 99-cent store around you, I would definitely suggest you at least pop in and take a look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and you guys let me know, do you want me to do 99-cent hauls as well? Because if you want me to do a mixture of Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, I absolutely would do that for you guys. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.